What is the Best Western Hotels Hotel Corporate Code? Hotels' corporate codes refer to the agreement price signed by the company and the hotel. When the company's employees or customers stay in the hotel, they can enjoy a discounted price, so that the company can get discounts, and the hotel can also get a certain occupancy rate. Because corporate codes are used by the company's employees and customers, we can use the corporate code's price of the company's customers to obtain the lowest discounted hotel price. Here is the Best Western Hotel. The company was established in 1946. Today, it has more than 4,200 member hotels in more than 80 countries and regions. Every day more than 250,000 people stay in hotels under the Best Western Group. Here I will introduce their negotiated price code. First of all, open the official website of Best Western Hotel. Then enter the hotel you want to stay in. Click the price drop-down box, select Corporate, Company, enter the code, and click Apply to search for corporate code's price. You can visit my blog through the link in the description to get more code and usage details of a hotel. My blog provides hundreds of corporate codes. You can use any one you want. Is identification required to use company code? Online I often have read about people concerned by using a corporate rate because they feel the hotel will be asking for identification at check-in in order to confirm eligibility for the discounted corporate rate. In my career I have been enjoying corporate rates at hotel in many different capacities. Sometimes I was an actual employee of the company that negotiated the discounted rate, and therefore I had a business card, and other form of identifications. However, most of the time in my career I have been using corporate rates as a consultant, contractor, supplier or customer of the company who was holding the contract with the hotel chain. Therefore, I had no form of identification, and sometimes the details of my relationship with the company who booked the room for me was confidential in nature. In any case, the details are never the business of the receptionist at the hotel. Typically I am asked for a form of corporate identification less than 10% of the times I have a reservation using a corporate rate. When I am actual employee I typically show my business card, but when I am a contractor or supplier I just say so. No further details are needed. Typically my answer to a request of corporate ID to prove my relationship with the company holding the contract with the hotel chain sounds like, sorry, I am a contractor, supplier, customer. Not a single time I was asked any additional question or challenged further. The truth is that the hotel chain itself has no interest in investigating eligibility because their business and profitability is all about occupancy. Their number one goal is fill the property in.